Here's the thing. I am so completely disappointed in every single creator that decided to monetize on the situation that is Hurricane Ian. It's disgusting to see that, like, they used this opportunity to catch a flight when they were somewhere safe, somewhere like not Florida. They caught a flight and they came to Florida and they purposely got a resort room and they purposely made content saying, oh no, I am trapped here in Florida and I can't get out. I'm stuck here at the Contemporary, but you got a room here. Like, it's this bonehead. I am disgusted at the fact that people were live streaming in the resorts to make proceeds and income that is not going to go to the victims and the families who lost everything from the hurricane. And I've sat in Sally and I watched destruction from Sally, and I was out of power for 5 days. I had nothing for 5 days, only to watch other people go through it. And it sucks and it's heartbreaking to see that we content creators went so low to monetize and capitalize on a situation that is tragic and is heartbreaking, and it stinks and it sucks that this is the resort that we go through. We live streamed events to get super chats that is not going to these families. They're going right to their pockets. And instead of hunkering down and staying safe, we go out to get food, drunk. What are we doing? What are we doing? It's embarrassing to tell people, hey, I'm a Walt Disney World content creator, and have to constantly find myself in the bottom of the pit. And that pit is not the floor. It just gets worse and worse and worse. Because we don't understand compassion and we don't understand empathy. And we do nothing to help everybody else. We only want to profit. It's disgusting.